जय गुरु जी प्यारे श्रोतागणों। हर रूह की अपनी एक जुस्तजू होती है। कभी सुकून की, कभी समझ की, कभी उस नूर की जो दिल के अंधेरों को मिटा दे। Welcome to episode 21 of Ruhani Justaju, a space where heart speaks, souls listen, and silence finds its own voice. Today's episode is not just a conversation, it's a reflection, a reminder that spirituality isn't about escaping the world. It's about understanding it more deeply through love, through faith, through surrender. Together with our guest, we'll explore the unseen, those delicate moments where life tests our faith, where devotion meets doubt, and where the divine whispers through the chaos. So take a deep breath, leave the noise outside, and step into the sacred pause, where words heal, presence speaks louder than the language. Because here in Ruhani Justaju, we aren't searching for answers, we are remembering what the soul already knows. Today, I'm joined by Nikki Malhotra, who has known of Guruji since her childhood. Welcome, Nikki. We are so thrilled to have you with us.
Jai Guruji. And it's an absolute delight to be here. And anything in this world to talk about Guruji and to pass on whatever he's taught us through these years. Anything for that. I mean,
And
any,
I know you've been through the ringer.
yeah, absolutely. And it's, where I stand today, 34 years later, or this entire journey of 33, 34 years has been absolutely, I would say, just phenomenal. And where I stand in, um, the phase that I stand in, where my connection with Guruji speaks another language now, I feel. It's very, very different from um, narrating out the miracles which was happening all these years. But today, where we are, and just like exactly how you kind of introduce this entire episode, it's about so many things, and it's been an absolutely beautiful journey. So I am all set to I can just go on and on. I mean, I just love talking about how he's brought in
Would
us up.
love nothing more.
Yeah.
And I know you've had several defining moments, uh, like things that literally changed the course of someone's life. If that's okay, let's delve into your past and the first time
Yeah.
you truly encountered Guruji when you were like barely in elementary school, if I'm not mistaken.
I was 11 years old. Yeah.
So tell us about that, Nikki.
Yeah. So, I mean, probably by now everybody knows I met Guruji in a situation which was not a very great situation to be in. Met with a very, very tragic road traffic accident, and having all the possible complications that you can think of, right from Bell's palsy, facial paralysis, to memory loss, to double vision, to anything and everything that you can think of, and to having missed out on an entire year of education, of growing up, a prime time of childhood, stepping into the teens, and losing your confidence entirely in yourself. So that was the situation after the accident. That I mean, that was how I met Guruji in this phase. Now, when I always say that the biggest blessing that Guruji gave me and my mom to begin with, because we both were the first ones to go to Guruji before dad joined in. But I think the biggest blessing was because we have seen over the years that sometimes in your own family, you could be narrating out Guruji's miracles, or you could be trying to, show everyone around you what Guruji is doing at every second or at every day. But it is so difficult to pass on those feelings to even your family or even to your close friends or to your peers. But the feeling that Guruji gave me and my mom of an immediate love towards him, seeing him in that form sitting in Jalandhar, and it was absolute love at the first sight. And that was the main feeling which probably um not probably which got us just which could never take us off the path with him. Because more than anything, even before faith, even before surrender, it was first love. It
Right.
was first love. It is always love. It has always been love, and it still is just pure love for him.
So for our listeners, जो सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी समझते हैं, जो हिंदी बोलते हैं, because I got a lot of heat for not speaking enough हिंदी, so मैं थोड़ा सा इसको संक्षिप्त में आप सबके साथ दोबारा रिकैप करूंगी। तो हमारी जो गेस्ट हैं आज की, निकी, वो हमें बता रही हैं कि वो सिर्फ 11 बरस की थी जब उनके साथ एक अनएक्सपेक्टेड हादसा हुआ, एक रोड एक्सीडेंट हो गया, जिसमें आप सोचिए कि एक बच्चे के कॉन्फिडेंस के तहस नहस हो जाता है वो। एंड शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हर जर्नी, हाउ ड्यूरिंग दोज अनफॉर्चुनेट टाइम्स, जो बहुत बुरी किस्मत, आई सॉरी,
Yeah,
during those trying moments,
yeah,
how she actually came in contact with Guruji. And this is something worth remembering, that our Guru takes us into his fold. Guruji हमें अपने फोल्ड में तब लेते हैं जब हमारी सोल को प्रॉब्ली सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत होती है। हमें नहीं
yeah,
पता कब, हमें नहीं पता किस कारण से, हमें नहीं पता किस उम्र में, किस जरिए से, लेकिन गुरुजी तब हमारी सोल को बुलावा देते हैं जब हम कंप्लीटली लॉस्ट होते हैं। और वो ही जर्नी निकी हम सबके साथ शेयर कर रही है। सो निकी, इफ यू कुड जस्ट यूज अ लिटिल बिट मोर हिंदी एज वेल,
okay, okay,
that'll be
great.
great.
I'll do that. So, जब हम गुरुजी से मिले at this phase, तो सब कुछ हो चुका था. I had been to the hospitals. I was in coma for a long time. Operation हो चुका था All India Institute में. I had been to PGI Chandigarh, Command Hospital, you name it. ऐसे 9-10 months had passed by. And even after these 9-10 months and getting one operation done, doctors ने यही कहा था कि पता नहीं है कि पूरी रिकवरी होगी नहीं होगी, बहुत सारे और ऑपरेशंस की जरूरत होगी, बहुत सारे मेडिकेशंस की जरूरत होगी. तो
Mm,
ये सिचुएशन थी इवन आफ्टर दैट ऑपरेशन. एंड फॉर अ पेरेंट टू सी देयर चाइल्ड इन दिस सिचुएशन, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली हार्ट रेंचिंग. सो
mm,
माय जो पेरेंट्स थे उनका, they were in a mental wreck. They were in an emotional mental wreck because they had seen so much. And so when the doctor said that they did not even know whether the recovery would be 100%, I think then that's when my mom actually started praying a lot. Ki there should be some divine intervention, something to give her hope, to give them hope. एंड इस सिचुएशन में जब हमारा एक ऑपरेशन यहाँ पे हुआ दिल्ली में ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट, और जब हम लोगों को वापस भेजा गया कि आप थोड़ी देर के लिए वापस अपने घर जाओ, बिकॉज माय फादर वाज पोस्टेड इन जालंधर.
mm,
एंड आयरॉनिकली दैट वाज माय डैड्स थर्ड पोस्टिंग. एंड जब वो दो पोस्टिंग्स पहले हुई थी, हमें कभी पता भी नहीं चला अबाउट गुरुजी. व्हाट as we know for a fact now that Guruji has his timings for us. He has his ways to call us, whether it is through the biggest and the worst miseries that you can imagine.
right.
And those miseries actually turn out to be huge, huge blessings. And that's what I look at it as today. That accident actually turned out to be the biggest blessing of her life, because it's unbelievable how life would have been, or what it would have been, if he hadn't reached Guruji. In fact, the the time frame before meeting Guruji is all a blur. I mean,
Mm,
we don't have such nothing substantial to talk about before
right.
coming into Guruji's, fold. And life actually started when we encountered him. And that first meeting Guruji, and जब हमने जलंधर में जब कदम रखा, that instant feeling of, being protected, being loved, being in a safe environment, that was something which just cannot be explained. Because it's like a child comes home and the home
Mm,
is the safest place for him or her. And that
mhm,
was the feeling when I stepped in. And I just literally, it's not just for speaking, I really didn't care कि मुझे कितना गुरुजी ठीक करेंगे, क्योंकि आई ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई न्यू दैट गुरुजी कैन लीव आउट सम थिंग्स, 10% छोड़ना है, or can cure you fully, or can take a lot of time to cure you, or might not even cure you completely. It didn't matter, because at the end of the day, I just wanted one thing, that Guruji just Just keep us with you. Just let us be there all the time. Don't put any restrictions on us. Don't, just don't do anything. Just let us be there. I think that feeling that Guruji only kind of, created in us, that was the biggest blessing, biggest blessing. And I know it because today, at this age that we've reached our midlife, and we have our own, shares of so many challenges which are very different kind, which are where you're trying to, just trying to get people to understand the way you understand Guruji, and there are so many blocks because it's not easy. And I always look at people how they are getting attached to Guruji. It's phenomenal. So
Yeah.
ये पहली जो मीटिंग थी गुरुजी के साथ जो जलंधर में थी, that was the day that can never be etched out from my memory because it was absolute love at first sight, and that's how we
So,
reached.
so when you set your foot in, and you're saying it was a feeling of, कि I've finally come home,
Yeah.
and this feels like mera ghar hai, it's a safe space.
Yeah.
Besides that, was there any other defining moment just for you, not your parents, not somebody else in the family, where you feel like your faith enhanced manyfold?
Yeah. So the when um I had lost a lot of confidence in myself because you wouldn't believe it, for almost a year my mom did not even let me look into the mirror. um and because I looked absolutely different and I didn't look so good, and because of the accident. So when Guruji looked at me and he put his hand, I think it was just a couple of days after meeting, he took his hand and he put it on my face and he said, बहुत सोनी कुड़ी है, बड़ी सुंदर है. So he literally just put his hand on my face and he just said that. And he said that many, many times after that. But when he said that, and I was like, uh, I don't know, it did something to me that I, let go of all the thoughts that were running in my mind, that I don't know, I look like XYZ, I don't know what I look like, I don't know how my future is going to be, I don't know about how will I ever get back. That, and it was not that things had immediately transformed or I immediately started looking as something else. No, Guruji took his time to get me out of that. He did his healing slowly over me. But that statement that Guruji gave, it had a profound impact on me because I just felt myself getting out of that zone super fast, super fast, that it helped me move on in my life. That was something which is very, very deep to my heart. In fact, I've never said this ever before, but it was something which just completely transformed me from within. And I just knew that what I can see is very, very superficial. What Guruji is talking, he's talking at the most deepest levels, and it's not necessary that it's going to happen right now, but he has said it, so it will happen like that.
Yeah.
And that's so that these things actually built up my faith tremendously over a period of time, and more than the actual things happening. It was Guruji picking up those points, picking up
Mm.
those thoughts which were running in the mind, which you
Yeah.
haven't discussed with anyone.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't go to my mom and say all this because they were themselves in that
Correct. Yeah.
shattered state, right? So I didn't go and say, oh, mom, I've lost this, I've lost that. It was something so internal, so personal, so deep. And good when he would pick up those thoughts from your mind and put them across to you and say exactly something positive about that whole thing, that is what developed the faith. The the
Beautiful.
the the recoveries kept happening, no doubt
Mm.
about it. But this was something which was phenomenal. And like that, tons and tons and tons of things like that. When he would just say something which was kind of bothering you, but we know how it has been with Guruji that we have never approached him.
Mm.
हम कभी नहीं गए गुरुजी के पास पूछने के लिए कि गुरुजी we've never done it. I think all of us, हम कभी नहीं गए कि गुरुजी ये प्रॉब्लम है थी अब की करें या इसका कुछ बता दो,
No,
because
some people would. हमारी
yeah,
कोई
yeah.
हिम्मत नहीं हुई।
Absolutely. When I say we people, I
Yeah.
mean,
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
lot of, you,
Yeah.
me, and the others. So we people
One
up,
time I did. ऐसे मेरा
yeah.
economics की एग्जाम है।
ठीक है, but that's in all good this thing, but
I
more or
get it. I
less,
was so innocent. I didn't know. I was like,
yeah, yeah,
Guruji
that was
says
out of innocence. Yeah,
blessing या कल्याण कितना तो पास तो हो ही जाऊंगी.
pass हो जाएगी. Yeah. But that also had a lot of reasons why probably that would have happened. But we
Yeah,
knew,
I feel like anytime we're able to open our mouth in front of Guruji, there's a
yeah,
reason. Otherwise, you can't.
you
You
can't.
just can't.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah,
Exactly. So this whole thing of even going to him and asking him was like, I remember I used to just keep nodding my head like a I mean, in my words, I would just say that I was acting very dumb by
समझ
whenever
कम
Guru,
आती थी, राइट निकी?
हाँ,
पंजाबी समझ पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ती थी कि इतना
पंजाबी
जल्दी
निकल
जल्दी
जाती
गुरुजी
थी.
बोल जाते थे. इट वाज लाइक एंड यू
या
कैन आस्क हिम टू रिपीट.
एग्जैक्टली ऊपर से निकल जाता था और
हाँ,
समझ में नहीं आती थी. ऊपर से ये नहीं समझ में आता था जवाब देना क्या है. मुझे
हाँ,
हमेशा लगता था गुरुजी आप कुछ पूछ रहे हो, आर यू लिटरली लुकिंग फॉर माय आंसर? आई मीन यू जस्ट आस्किंग समथिंग व्हिच आई हैव नो आंसर. सो इट वाज ऑलवेज लाइक पता नहीं गुरुजी, आप जैसे
या,
बोलो गुरुजी. It was always very, and I used to think, I used to sometimes think that Guruji would say that कितनी बोरिंग लड़की है, इसके पास कुछ witty आंसर ही नहीं होता बोलने के लिए. Because I would, sometimes look around and people would give such witty answers and I would just go like a tape recorder. Pata nahi
या,
Guruji, nahi pata. Because what do you say? He knows
या,
everything. And I used to wonder, why are you having this conversation? Like, what am I supposed to answer? So,
राइट.
कभी कुछ पूछा ही नहीं. और it's not again just for speaking, but I don't know, the way this journey has been with him till today. There is nothing that I have ever asked him. And I think something that is now helping us move on in this phase of our life, because we have understood what do you exactly mean by not asking. What we mean कि हम पूछ नहीं रहे गुरुजी से क्योंकि हमें पता ही नहीं है कि पूछना क्या है. क्या मालूम है, मैं क्या बोलूं कि गुरुजी ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसे हो रहा है. जब मुझे पता है कि गुरुजी ही जिंदगी चला रहे हैं, जब गुरुजी ही सारी की सारी सिचुएशंस क्रिएट करते हैं खुद. हम बहुत स्ट्रगल्स हैं, बहुत नचोड़ते हैं गुरुजी, बहुत मतलब बहुत. बट अगर गुरुजी ही डाल रहे हैं तो मैं क्या बोलूं मुझे को. तो मेरा हमेशा से एक दो चीजें रही हैं गुरुजी के साथ. गुरुजी हिम्मत दो कि जो भी आप सिचुएशन में डालो, जस्ट गिव दैट स्ट्रेंथ. Yeah, I'm able to sail through it. I know that you put me for a reason because maybe I have that capability in me to get through this. So give me that strength to get through this. And don't let my faith falter. Don't let me question you. I mean, that's all that I can say. I have never asked. It's not a joke. अभी भी नहीं आता. अगर मैं पूछना भी चाहूँ ना, आता ही नहीं है कुछ मन में. क्या पूछूं? Because
नहीं, कि पॉइंट यू राइट. जानी जान को हम क्या बताएं?
क्या
जो
पूछें?
जो सब जानते हैं उनको हम क्या बताएंगे कि हमारे जहन में ये चल रहा है, आज हमारे साथ ये हुआ. यस, यू कैन डू दैट कॉन्वर्सेशनली बिकॉज यू डू बिलीव दैट गुरुजी इज विद यू अनसंग. सो
Yeah,
समटाइम्स गुरुजी टॉक टू मी.
yeah.
बट यू कांट रियली डिक्टेट टू हिम कि गुरुजी मेरे को ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, क्योंकि टू योर पॉइंट हमें पता ही नहीं हमें क्या चाहिए. वी
Exactly.
थिंक नो बट वी एक्चुअली वी डोंट.
Yeah. And also another side which we saw, which was also that we learned how to I think fear the God. And fearing the God is very important also at the same time, because जब आपको भगवान का डर ना हो, जब आप बिल्कुल कुछ भी बोल के या कुछ भी करके निकल जाते हो, जब आपको लगता ही नहीं है कि यू आर आंसरेबल टू फाइनली द गॉड हिमसेल्फ, देन यू आर मूविंग ऑन इन दिस लाइफ like without a care, which is in some way not right. It's not that you roam about with scare, but you roam around with the fact that you are ultimately answerable to him. So whatever you think, whatever thoughts come to your mind, whatever decision you take, whatever you do, you have to give him an answer. You're not answerable to the world, to no one. So today I feel that I'm only answerable to my God. I'm only answerable to Guruji. I'm not answerable to anyone. So anything that I do in this life has to be done with so much correct intention that at the end of it, I should know that Guruji is looking at me and saying that, yes, you did the right thing. And you get the answers within. Second, we've also seen that when people have pressed on, we've seen this, pressed on for things, whether it was sometimes for a child or whether it was for a promotion, whether it was for money. And Guruji would not give the person that immediately. or would not do it or would delay it, people would come and say, Guruji, chahiye, 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 matlab, in whichever way. And then when it would happen, it would come to them with a lot of struggle. And,
Yeah.
it would come with a lot of things that they had to, whether it was, for example, kabhi bachcha, I remember ऐसे बहुत instances देखे, बच्चा मांगा, बच्चा थोड़ा special need के साथ पैदा हुआ, and Guruji was trying कि तुम मत लो बच्चा, क्योंकि अगर पैदा होगा तो वो XYZ situations या problems के साथ आएगा. तो उस चीज का भी डर है कि अगर कुछ ऐसा फोर्स कर दिया गुरुजी को देने के लिए, तो यू नेवर नो उसके साथ क्या बैगेज आ रहा है. तो इससे बेटर है पूछो ही मत, मांगो ही मत, हमें पता ही नहीं है, तो लेट हिम डिसाइड, लेट हिम टेक हिज टाइम. एंड
Yeah, I think I fundamentally agree with what you're saying, Nikki, but maybe slightly nuanced. So to me, fear has a negative connotation. That's number one.
yeah,
I
yeah,
think
I mean
loving
maybe
God
some
and
other,
having reverence and
yeah,
having respect for
yeah,
God is vital. Because
yeah,
when you have the respect, then to your point, you're mindful of the fact that, hey, I'm answerable to someone above me.
yeah. If you
And for
strong
me
enough,
personally,
yeah,
I've always felt that I'm answerable to, of course, my guru, because that is the only
yeah,
God I know, and my parents,
yeah,
because I exist because of them. And
yeah,
out of my parents, I've lost one, so I'm left with is my mother.
yeah,
So I'm answerable to her, and
yeah,
then I'm answerable to my guru in my everyday dealings, and that's why, to your point, I think that prayer is very important. That we are humans. To
yeah,
err is human. We will have thoughts, we will have judgment, we will have anger, we will have ego, we will have,
yeah,
hate, and degrees vary. So just give us that gurmat that जो आपको भली लगे, जो आपको सही लगे, आप वो कराना.
बिल्कुल.
And again, this is not to, shelve accountability, because we are Karam Yogi and we can't say that we're not accountable. Jo Guruji karenge wo dekhi jayegi.
No,
It's not that, but a little guidance from the divinity, knowing and grounding ourselves in the fact that yes, there is divinity within each one of us. I
yeah.
think that realization is very important, and that's when your perspective on a lot of things change. Are we perfect? No. Do I
Oh,
struggle? Nikki, to be
yeah.
honest, I struggle
A
with a
lot.
lot of things in my life. And the proof is these two big pimples. When I get stressed out, I just start breaking. And I was like,
Yeah.
Guruji, ye pimples le lo. But then I feel so ashamed. I was like, what am I asking for?
Yeah, no, no, no. That if some now we're at that phase where you can't even talk about your struggles, but the struggles are a lot, and uh,
Every day,
yeah,
every day. And
and
I think
it's
women
not.
especially,
Yeah,
women in 40s, as soon as you cross 40s, you know biologically the changes we go through, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah. That and I think they're real challenges. I
Yeah, no
mean,
one talks about that.
yeah, we can't.
People are too
I mean,
ashamed to talk about that.
yeah, we're ashamed, and plus, what to tell, where to
Yeah,
start,
yeah,
what to talk, and it's not everything cannot be discussed out.
yeah, yeah.
But these struggles are real struggles. We're
They're
not,
real.
and
Yes.
for a fact that
Mm,
if you are not a disciple of Guruji, or you're not Guruji's Sangat, or you're not Guruji's Bhakt, or Guruji has not been there in your life, or Guruji hasn't touched your life, the way of dealing with those issues, with those struggles in life, will be very, very different by any other individual.
yeah,
This is for a fact, because I
I
have
agree. 100%.
no,
Yeah.
yeah, I have seen people come up to me and say that how can you be so calm? How
Mm-hmm.
can you be functioning
Yeah.
with this kind of with this kind of an attitude, or with
Mm,
this kind of calmness, or with this kind of patience? How much patience? How much this thing? It's
mm,
immense. So what he's taught us is patience, being
mm-hmm.
calm, waiting for the signal, intuition,
Mm.
everything he's evoked,
Yep.
everything. And this is happening,
Telepathy.
huh?
Telepathy.
Yeah, telepath. Oh
Yeah.
my God, that's like immense.
Yeah.
And you just learn how to take decisions in your life. You learn
Yeah.
how to do all of this, and necessarily it's not every time Guruji is coming and saying, "Chal tu air kar le, tu air kar le." But there's a voice inside you which is
Oh
guiding
my,
you.
and you sense things which is actually scary.
Yeah, absolutely. Bang. And that's when you realize that you're evolving.
Yeah.
And you're
Yeah.
not. And that is the beauty. That's what I keep, praying to Guruji, that let this happen, because as a human being, evolution is very, very important.
Yeah.
And
And it's painful. Nikki, it's painful.
very, very. I can relate to this a lot, because sometimes you just know that, okay, this is not right. And, you don't want to feel it. You don't want to this thing, or you don't want to look in that direction, but you can't help it because now your intuition, Guruji's kind of evoked it. The telepathies are so strong.
Yeah.
And so he's showing also things, he's guiding you also. But I think over a period of time, the journey becomes very quiet. It becomes very silent between
Mm.
you and Guruji. It's a very, it's I don't know, it's beautiful, because then you just feel that you're in constant conversation with him. You're like
Mm.
constantly talking to him, and you cannot explain it to anyone. So it's not like आज मेरे साथ miracles, telepathy होते हैं, रोज होते हैं। बट जो अंदर अंदर की जो बातें हैं, वो
Mm.
आप किसी को बता ही नहीं सकते, किसी को समझा
Yeah.
ही नहीं सकते, बिकॉज वो
जरूरत भी
कौन।
नहीं है।
हाँ,
जरूरत
जरूरत,
भी नहीं है।
एब्सोल्युटली जरूरत भी नहीं है। एंड
Yeah.
उस फेज तक पहुंचने के लिए आई थैंक गुरुजी, कि गुरुजी आप इस फेज तक लेके आए। और
Mm.
अभी शायद ऐसे बहुत लेयर्स हैं।
पता नहीं कितने पड़ाव है मेरे को तो। आपसे गुरुजी, हमारी औकात ही नहीं है कि हम आपके किसी टेस्ट में खरे उतर सके। जब तक
बिल्कुल।
आप पास नहीं कराओगे हम तो फेल ही होंगे। एंड that's my belief.
या
So
बिल्कुल।
Guruji, when you test us, please ensure that we are worthy and capable enough of passing through those hurdles and tests and whatever lessons the soul is meant to learn.
meant to have. And I also feel that at the end of the day, क्योंकि आपको गुरुजी इतनी सारी तरीकों से आपके कम्युनिकेशंस को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रहे हैं, तो हम भी
Mm.
उस लायक बने कि हमारे जो बोलचाल है, या जो whatever we talk and whatever we say, people get, like people understand that this is Guruji's language, and maybe they connect through all of this. Maybe, like suppose you're standing, I'm standing, and there are two, three more people who are not connected to Guruji. Our
Mm.
language will be very different. The way
Mm.
we talk about life, the way we talk about things will be so different from people who are not connected. That
Mm.
in itself will probably draw people, those who
Mm.
want to be drawn, to understanding that there is so much more than just Guruji ने ये ठीक किया, Guruji ने ये ठीक किया, या Guruji ने ये
Yeah.
दिखाया, या Guruji ने वो दिखाया. There's so much more. So
Mm.
as a human being, how evolved are you? I think that's the question I ask myself like when I keep cross-checking on myself. Have I evolved? Have I been like, it's an internal check.
Yeah.
Like गुरुजी taught us कि तुम बाहर का environment को तो change नहीं कर सकते, पहले तुम खुद बंदा बनो, right?
Yeah.
This is something which we all remember. तो पहले
Yeah.
तो अपने आप को अंदर इतना झांको, इतना वो करो, इतने लायक बनो, कि पहले
Mm.
पूरा अपने अंदर से अपने आप को क्लेंस करो। कोशिश तो करो जितना हो सकता है। वी ऑल हैव फ्लॉज, बट जितना कर सकते हो, अपने आप जो चीजें बाहर बदलनी होंगी, अपने आप बदलेंगे। कि
Mm.
बाहर की चीजों के साथ हम लड़ते रहते, ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, ये बंदा ठीक नहीं है, वो बंदा ठीक नहीं है। But I think he's kind of moved us. I mean, when I talk about and I see how every year has been with Guruji, I have learned this through
Mm.
many ways, that forget about what is happening around you. You just be within yourself and you just focus on him. You just keep concentrating on strengthening your your I would just say your connections with Guruji, because there are a lot of layers, like we said. Automatically, what has to get sorted will get sorted. And I have seen people whose minds are so I don't, what word would you use, which are not very balanced, or which are not working in the right direction, the
But
right
that's their
way.
journey.
Yeah,
That's their
that's
journey.
what I've
Mm.
seen, that it changes. It
Yeah.
changes, it changes because they somewhere taken the energy that you have, which Guruji has passed on to you through your interaction with him. See, they
Mm.
might not directly connect with Guruji instantly,
Mm.
but they understand that there is some source of energy that you have because you're so connected with Guruji. So they get influenced indirectly, and then they connect with Guruji. So there are just eerie methods of Guruji connecting
True.
people to him. But it's like, I always feel that just keep working on yourself, as
That's
much
the
as
only
possible.
way. Focus on yourself. And my favorite line lately has been Nanak Dukhiya Sab Sansar, because that is true,
Yep.
because I do believe that there is a battle known, unknown, seen, unseen, that everybody is fighting. Everybody at their own level. Degrees vary, like I always say. And we know nothing about those battles. But on the
Yeah.
outside, we look at people, we judge people, oh my God, her life is perfect.
Yeah.
And I'm sure people come up to you, people come
Yeah.
up to me, how are you so strong? मेरी
Yeah.
life में ये चल रहा है, मुझे ये advice करो, वो advice करो. And you somehow pull yourself together to be that, source of strength for somebody else. But then nobody realizes those moments when you've actually curled up into a ball yourself and probably
Yeah.
wept through the night. No one
Abs-
sees that. And
abs-
another interesting thing that you will agree with is that the people closest to you who are on the outside, close enough but not on the inside, will be the first ones to see chinks in your armor and will be
yeah.
the first one to judge you कि oh ये तो बोलती ऐसे है, करते ऐसे है, ये ऐसे है. But even if you think that you know somebody, you really don't know
Yeah.
what's happening, behind closed doors
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
within the inside.
Yeah.
So the important lesson here is that our guru is teaching us to become blank slates, not have judgments, because get grounded on fact number one
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
you know nothing.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah.
nothing.
Absolutely.
So,
And I think so it teaches us to be very empathetic towards everyone around us. It teaches
yeah,
us to
which doesn't mean you
probably,
put up with abuse or you put up with
yeah, yeah, yeah.
unnecessary,
Absolutely.
but
Oh, that because
the way you respond to your point, it changes.
yeah, yeah, it does because this is all, and I think everyone, has a learning that is very, very personal to the person. For
Yeah,
example, standing up for yourself. Guruji taught me this through me.
absolutely.
Yeah, like I mean, I was like, and I, started seeing the pattern. Why was it happening again and again? And I was like, oh, Guruji is putting me this through this again and again till I finally learn it, till I finally understand and learn that this is what I need to learn in my life. So Guruji is teaching us to live this life with our maximum potential, maximum
Standing up for yourself. I love it. I
standing
love
up.
it. It's
Yes. I mean,
very
this
important.
is something that I think I have been taught through so many methods, through so
Yeah.
many ways that finally dawned on me one day. Oh my God, this is what I had to learn. And it
And
did not
and
happen.
respond, don't react. I think there's a
Yeah,
difference. Yeah.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
And वो ना कि अपने कर्म क्यों खराब करने हैं to
Yeah.
respond to everything that is happening. You can just step back or you can just observe. You can just be patient, see how it
Reactions change हो
unfolds.
जाते हैं थोड़े
हाँ,
से.
बिल्कुल
With time, with maturity, reactions change हो जाते हैं because to your point, we don't control the outside.
या सो वो हो जाते हैं एंड मेरे को तो गुरुजी ने बहुत तरीकों से सिखाया in fact there was one incident I had taken up like after my marriage. My first job was in this hospital here in Rockland.
हाँ, तेरी शादी वाला सत्संग सुनना है, that card वाला,
अच्छा
so
सुनना है
comical. I
अच्छा
want
मुझे लगा
to.
कि must have been all repeatedly being playing here and there.
No, no, no. I really want to hear everything and how you would go without telling your in-laws. Like that is next level.
Yeah. So okay, then let me start from there only.
Yeah,
Then
yeah,
let me
yeah.
start. So when I went and I came to Guruji finally in it was 1992, and so one day we were sitting in Mama and me were sitting with Guruji in Jalandhar Mandir, and there were not many people. जालंधर में मतलब बहुत ही कम लोग आते थे एक टाइम पे. वो एक ऐसा टाइम था जो कभी डिस्क्राइब नहीं किया जा सकता. 5 या 10 लोग होते थे. इतना पर्सनल टाइम मिलता था. और पर्सनल टाइम ये नहीं था कि गुरुजी हर सेकंड आपको अपने बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं, आपकी बातें ही कर रहे हैं. गुरुजी
हम्म,
इधर उधर की बातें कर रहे होते थे. ते
हम्म,
ऐसा ये है, ते ऐसा ये है, ते इत्थे की हो रहा है, ते उत्थे की हो रहा है. इट्स नॉट कि पर्सनल मतलब हमारे लिए हमारी ही
right.
बातें करते जा रहे हैं. इट वाजंट लाइक दैट. एंड that was the beauty because being with him also it was not like we were being spoon fed.
Hmm.
We were never spoon fed for anything. So even so at such a time when I remember mom and me were sitting and uh yeah and uh I lost mom too just almost a year back, so it's just flashes back. Anyway, so we were sitting and Guruji just suddenly turned around and he just said he told my mom that take her to college, sorry, take her to school and just put her into the next standard. And it was not possible because after you miss an entire year, it's not possible that the school is going to promote you to the next standard. But since Guruji said, so we used to follow it. Like he used to say, "जाओ school जाओ." तो एक सेकंड में आता था कि देखो क्या बोलते हैं प्रिंसिपल एंड ऑल दैट एंड बट ऐसे कैसे पॉसिबल है, बट हम चले गए क्योंकि गुरुजी ने कहा है। और फिर जाते जाते सारी थॉट्स अपने मन से निकाल दिए कि देखते हैं क्या होता है। वहां पे गए एंड एज वी वेंट देयर, the principal and that St. Joseph School knew about this entire accident, everything. In fact, they had come home to meet me and all that. So anyway, just putting it in short, the principal just immediately told my mother that, you know, this girl was a very bright child and she was doing very well. In fact, I was about to become the prefect when the accident happened. And you know, she just said that I don't want her to waste a single year. I'm promoting her to the next standard, but she can just give one or two small tests for chemistry or physics or something like that. And they promoted me. Now the whole point is that Guruji सेट कि इसको अगले स्टैंडर्ड में डाल दो, नो एक्सप्लेनेशन गिवन, अगले स्टैंडर्ड मतलब अगले अगले क्लास में डाल दो। हम गए, वो ऑटोमेटिकली हो गया, विच गुरुजी हैड कार्व्ड आउट द एंटायर thing, he had carved out the entire path, he had kept it ready for me, and I went on. So I got promoted to the next standard. I did struggle in the beginning because I had lost one entire year of education, and plus I was very weak to study. So why I say these things is because I also feel that it's important to understand that it's not like some magic that's going on. It's not like this is magical that I got promoted to the next standard, but I did face struggles. It's not that I went and yeah, immediately I was like scoring like so well and all. I had to work my way. I had to work my way again and come back. So the teaching through these things in life have been that I am blessing you, but you have to work and do your bit at every second, at every mode or every stage that I put you in your life. Even in terms of holding on to those blessings, even in terms of holding on to what Guruji blesses with you, you have to work. You can't take it for granted, Guruji ने दिया है सब ठीक हो जाएगा। नहीं, कोई भी चीज हो जो गुरुजी ने दी है, उसके लिए काम भी करना है कि उसको होल्ड ऑन करें। You know, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a work, whether it's understanding, whether it's being blessed with children. I today, since both my kids are Guruji's blessings, I always feel that my duty in bringing them up is that I bring them up the way Guruji would want it. So honestly, as a mother, my सोच is secondary. मेरी पहली सोच ये है कि गुरुजी क्या चाहते हैं, कि बच्चों को हम कैसे बड़ा करें, हम क्या उनमें डालें, क्या सिखाएं उनको। तो जो सारी चीजें जो हमें सिखाई हैं, वो मैं चाहती हूँ पहले वो सीखें, जल्दी जल्दी सीखें, क्योंकि आई कैन टीच देम द थिंग्स दैट ही इज टॉट अस, एंड माय रोल एज अ पेरेंट बिकम सेकेंडरी, in the sense that I take myself as a medium to bring these children onto this earth, but they're actually Guruji's children.
Yeah, we are caretakers. Yes, you're right about that.
Okay.
We're caretakers.
Right.
Yeah.
And then through these feelings, I think we probably enter into that whole concept that Guruji taught us about detachment, that you do your karams, you do whatever I have given you to do in this life, you do it with your utmost sincerity, but you need to be a little detached.
Correct.
And you know,
और माँ बाप का जो आप कह रहे हो रोल ये होता है इज अबाउट प्लांटिंग सीड्स, राइट?
yeah,
अब मेरे बच्चे यहाँ के बच्चे हैं, right?
yeah,
And they don't see eye to eye on a lot of things that I probably want them to think or feel a certain way. There is just a huge cultural divide, and I
yeah,
must accept that.
yeah.
But मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने सीड्स प्लांट कर दिए हैं, और
हाँ,
वो एज अ पेरेंट मेरा काम है। उसके
to
बाद
keep
वो सीड्स
things
कब जर्मिनेट होते हैं नहीं होते,
absolutely.
I was like, that's between the divine and these souls.
And these souls, yeah, absolutely.
Because I
So
cannot be fixated on I want these results.
yes, you cannot, and it's it to a much deeper level. For example, जब गुरुजी ने ये सिखाया detachment, so I will just, so these visions that Guruji gives and all, I mean, I do get them now. So there was this whole thing when I was very worried for my son's board. He's more of a player, he's more of a sports person. He plays all sports, he's in teams and leagues and all of that. So his education is secondary for him. For him, it's more of sports.
That's his
But I've
passion.
been, yeah, that's his passion. And I've been very academically oriented. So for me, it was like, okay, and as a mother, you still, for, it's not a selfish thing, but you're trying to do it so that the kid only does better. So I
Correct.
was trying to kind of, push him and all of that thing. And he came very clearly and he told me in the vision that, um, he just gave me two, three lines exactly, only and only focusing on my son. In a nutshell, what it meant was that just leave him and
Right.
let him do what he likes. Rest I'll take care of. You cannot do only as much as you can do as a parent or a mother. Rest you will have to surrender. So
Mm.
the levels at which he teaches you surrender is not, it's just surreal. And
Yeah.
a normal person or a normal mother would not have been so chilled out, so relaxed as I am today because of something that Guruji reminded me, or Guruji told me directly, or Guruji, kind of planted it in my mind. So there is a difference. There is a difference in how we are when we are connected to him, and there's a difference in the way the entire world is functioning. There is a huge difference. So even at that time, when I went on to my next class and I got promoted, and I struggled in the beginning, and then I caught up, and then how Guruji at every class of mine kept telling me that don't change your board. So much intricacies he got into it. I was in ICSE board and I wanted to shift to CBSE, and Guruji said, "Nahi, abhi nahi. Isko abhi ICSE karne do till 10th." And then 11th May, he told me which school to go to. 12th, suddenly he pulled me out of Chandigarh and he said, "Come to Delhi." So I
Mm.
changed my school. I came to TAPS, and then I was there. And then slowly, when these
You were
things
in
kept,
Loreto too, right? You were in Loreto as well.
yes, I was in Loreto. Yeah, yeah. I was in Loreto, but that was when I was in fifth, sixth, and half of seventh, which would be, I don't know which year. I'll have to
Mm.
calculate that. But yeah, you and Suvida,
Yes.
we all ring a bell together. Yeah. So, so then I passed out from there, and then, but see how the cycle is. Now, after I finished my school, since Guruji was guiding every year and he was saying that चल अब इत्थे जा चल अब ये स्कूल जा वो स्कूल जा, so I thought कि अब जब कॉलेज की बारी आएगी जिसमें सबसे बड़ा डिसीजन लेना है कि क्या करना है, तो गुरुजी बता देंगे कि क्या करना है, right?
Mm.
And I said ठीक है, I told my mom कि let's just see what Guruji says. These are my two options. I wanted to either become a journalist or I wanted to become a doctor in either dentistry or physiotherapy. These were two, but they were extremes. They were like absolutely like poles end. So I told my mom ki let's see what Guruji says. You won't believe it. Day in and day out we were with Guruji, but Guruji never broached this topic up. And you could understand that गुरुजी का मतलब ये था कि मैं तो इसके बारे में नहीं बात करूंगा तुमको, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट वी अंडरस्टूड दैट गुरुजी मेंट कि तुम करो जो तुम्हारा दिमाग कह रहा है, जो तुम्हारी बुद्धि कह रही है, वो तुम डिसीजन लो. एंड
Mm.
हमने वो डिसीजन लिया, एंड आई got into English honors in Jesus and Mary College because I thought, okay, let me get into, journalism, and probably this is the first step and all. Now, again, cutting the story short, that 1 year passed by, and suddenly we went to Udaipur for those for Sudha auntie and uncles those factory
Yes.
launch, and
Mm.
we went there. We were those few blessed children who got to go there because there were a lot of strictness कि ज़्यादा बच्चे नहीं हैं ये वो and all, but we were there with Guruji, and the exams were just about a month later. And
Mm.
Guruji, at the end of it, when the trip got over, he's telling us कि तुम और घूमो, तुम उदयपुर वापस रुको और तुम सारी की सारी family roam around more.
Mm.
And we were like exams थे 15 दिन के बाद. So
Yeah.
we didn't understand, we even at that time he would just say it, but the beauty was that he used to say it in that form. It was absolutely crystal clear कि करना ही है. तो
Mm.
हमने कर लिया.
Mm.
Anyway, I came back, I gave the exam, and I told my mom, I had already started telling her that I'm in the wrong field. I don't want to be in this. I think I've picked up the wrong course. I want to switch over to medicine. But Guruji didn't say anything. Now, when
Mm.
this thing happened, I gave me exam.
Mm.
I followed whatever my mind could tell me. I got my admission done in a medical college in Bangalore.
Right.
When I got the admission, this is
Mm,
all happening, Guruji sitting in the
mm,
Chola form, but he didn't talk about this. He talked about everything under the sun but this.
mm,
When the admission happened, Guruji walked up to me in Empire State when everything was done. I had paid my first fees,
mm,
and he just walked up to me and he said that तूने admission ले लिया फिर medical which he just came, he didn't ask me, he just said ले लिया. मैंने बोला जी गुरुजी. He said कौन सा कॉलेज. मैंने बताया तो गुरुजी साहब चल बढ़िया है, तेरे को डॉक्टर बनाया तो bless किया.
mm,
But this happened 1 year later. So
mm,
1 year I went through my this English honors or whatever with my own mind. And this why I'm saying is we were sitting with Guruji day in and day out. So the
mm,
point, everything in life has taught us something about life. So
mm,
which means that it's not necessary that you will get the answer when you want it, even though
mm,
you might be standing on a crossroad and you
mhm,
might not know which road to take. You do
mm,
your best. You take the
mm.
decision that you think is best. When he has to intervene, he
He
will
will.
intervene at his time. And
Yeah.
it could be that a lot of time goes by. So if I look back at it, I lost 1 year. I mean, I started my actual course after 1 year. Was it a balance between that 1 year, this 1 year? I mean, there could be a lot of thinking, a lot of calculations, but who wants to get into it? You know that at the end of it, everything was a blessing.
Reasons
And
and
I
seasons
know,
for everything.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. The reason for everything. And then he said, Ki chal ab tere ko banaya. Then I went and then anyway, those years went by and lots of satsangs in between. But
Yeah,
when
वो
I
पता when he told you not to check your email
हाँ वो
for
इसके बाद था, शादी के बाद वो मास्टर्स में था. तो ये
oh
तो
अच्छा.
हाँ ये तो बैचलर्स चल रहा था. दिस वाज अबाउट 4.5 to 5 years. After 4.5 years I was doing my bachelor's from Rajiv Gandhi University, which is down south.
Mm,
And when you do your internship, you pick up a hospital which is affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University. But when
mhm,
I came to Guruji after my final theory exams and I still had to pick up my internship, the first thing Guruji said is तो तेरे को इंटर्नशिप इतने मिल जाएगी, तेरी गंगाराम में ट्राई कर, गंगाराम में तेरे को इंटर्नशिप मिल जाएगी. सो इट वाज द मोस्ट unusual thing to happen that I got my internship in Gangaram, which usually does not happen because if you're doing it from the south, you have to do it from the hospitals down south.
mhm,
Second thing he said is that तूने शादी इस साल खत्म होने से पहले कर लेनी है, which was 2002.
mhm,
2002 2003. Anyway, so Guruji said ऐस साल खत्म होने से पहले तूने शादी कर लेनी है, which I was really taken aback because I mean emotionally, mentally we were still very young, small, 21, 22. I mean शादी was like, and I for some time literally thought that Guruji is joking because sometimes he would joke, no, he would say चल तू शादी कर ले, चल छੱਡ दे, चल रहने दे, चल ये जाके पढ़ ले. He would change things. He
mhm,
would say something, then he would say something else. So I thought that maybe he said this or maybe he'll change it in a few days. But no, he was absolutely crystal clear about it.
mhm,
And time was very short. Time was running out. And Guruji made sure that he kept saying it every day. तैयारियां करो, शादी करो, जगह book करो, this, that, everything. Which was like, okay, you cannot back out from this. There's no thinking. There's no, you cannot think over what he's saying. So the whole thing started, and my dad started finding a booking and all that. And finally, none of the army places he got because time was very short. Being an army officer, I mean, you look for the army places only.
mhm,
But in the end, he got the booking in Ashoka Hotel, which was told to me when I was in ninth standard, which was around 94, 95, when Guruji in Jalandhar had told me one day. He just had walked out from Samadhi. He was in his room, and I was outside. I was doing some jharu. I was putting outside, and he came and he hugged me, and he just said that "Teri shaadi mein Ashoka Hotel vich karaunga," which was 94. And at that time, as a young kid, I mean, you just giggled. I mean, I just giggled and I just felt very happy to hear something like that. And I just kind of forgot about it. But now, when the booking happened, there was no booking available anywhere except Ashoka Hotel. And Papa got the booking done at a very good discount. Like, he was very comfortable with the whole thing because it was again a follower of Guruji and all of that. And the wedding happened there. But when the preparations for the wedding were happening, I went through lots and lots of खिंचाई कर लो या नींबू की तरह निचोड़ना या जो भी कह लो. गुरुजी ने भी बहुत लड़कों के बारे में बताया, गुरुजी ने भेजा भी मॉम डैड को कि उससे मिलो, बहुत कुछ चला। इट वाज लाइक आई वाज बीइंग लाइक you know
Yeah.
like pulled in every possible direction, sometimes here, sometimes there, and I was like, what is going on? And everything, the trousseau was being bought, everything was, and I was just like, my mind was absolutely numb, which in a way is
And at
great.
that point, you didn't even know who the boy is.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
He kept telling me कि ए लड़का चल छड़, ए लड़का चल छड़, अन्नू देख क्या बात बनी कुछ, and I used to look at Guruji and I was like, I don't even know what
So
to
he
think. I
gave
don't
you
even
the
know what.
date and he gave you the venue.
He didn't give the date. He said कि ए साल खत्म होने से पहले करनी है, which was 2002.
तो
So
फिर
we
बुकिंग कैसे कराई विदाउट द डेट?
सो वी हाँ, नहीं नहीं, डेट हमने निकाली, डेट नहीं दी
ओके।
गुरुजी, डेट हमने निकाली, और डेट हमने सोच के निकाली कि हम बिल्कुल एंड दिसंबर में निकालते हैं ताकि थोड़ा टाइम तो मिले। तो वो
ओके।
एंड दिसंबर की डेट हमने 27th निकाली, जो हमने फिर गुरुजी को बताया, गुरुजी ये डेट मिल रही है, ये ठीक है? तो गुरुजी से हाँ ठीक है। तो फिर वो डेट हमने फाइनल करी, उसके बेसिस पे हमने बुकिंग ढूंढी, उसके बेसिस पे ट्रूजो भी खरीदे गए, शादी का जोड़ा भी हो गया, कार्ड भी बन गया।
सो
और
एवरीथिंग
गुरुजी,
विद द बॉय।
या, एंड इमेजिन गुरुजी आज के कार्ड का सैंपल लेके आओ, कार्ड पे लड़के का नाम नहीं था।
आई
इट
लव
वाज,
इट।
या, इट वाज लाइक, इट वाज ब्लैंक, एंड ही सेड हाँ कार्ड बड़ा सोना है, तो बड़ा सुंदर है, एंड दैट्स इट। क्योंकि उसके बाद गुरुजी ने फिर कुछ नहीं कहा। सी द पॉइंट इज, वी, this is what happens in life even today, so it's not necessary that he'll give you all the answers in one go.
राइट राइट राइट।
Right, he'll answer you something, then there's a waiting period, then he'll answer something. So that's what he did even here. He didn't answer, he didn't say anything, and we didn't ask, we just kept doing what he kept saying. And by the end of it, I was getting a little jittery in October. It was October, December mein shadi thi, and I didn't know whom am I getting married to. And October, no, I mean, then my mind was like, oh my God, I don't know what's happening and this and that. And then I told my mom, I remember I told her that you've seen so many boys, and there's this friend circle that I have. Out of that, there's this one boy who probably likes me. Why don't you just meet him? Because you're meeting everybody, so meet him also. And it was so funny because we didn't know what to say, because ultimately it had to be Guruji's decision, which all my friends knew, which even he knew. So they just met for formality's sake, and it was a very awkward meeting because nobody knew what to say. Because ultimate decision had to be Guruji. ऐसे भी नहीं था कि हम चाहते हैं शादी हो जाए, क्योंकि चाहते हैं का तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं था ना, गुरुजी had to say कि हाँ या ना। तो फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए मिला, क्योंकि गुरुजी ने कहा मिलते रहो, लड़कों से मिलते रहो, ये गुरुजी का आदेश था, डोंट स्टॉप। And this is, my mom used to literally say, I cannot go to Guruji if we don't meet boys, because that's his no, actually, it was, it was like, I cannot face Guru, I cannot face Guruji if we don't do what he's asked us to do. So these are things, and बहुत ऐसे हमने सत्संग, मतलब बहुत पुराने संगत के भी ऐसे सत्संग हैं जब बहुत चीजें ऑकवर्ड लगती थी, बट करनी थी क्योंकि गुरुजी ने बोली। उस पे कोई सर या पैर, आज भी अगर आप सोचो कि इतने लड़के देखे क्यों देखे, इसका कोई आंसर नहीं है। इसका
नहीं,
गुरु,
कुछ कर्म गुरु जी को कुछ कटवाने होंगे।
एब्सोल्युटली, सम
We
गिव एंड
cannot
टेक,
find any
समथिंग,
reason.
या।
And anything we cannot explain, we chalk it up to karma. That's
Yeah,
how.
absolutely. You just put it aside that it was supposed to happen like this. He
Yeah,
knows,
exactly, exactly,
whatever.
exactly.
So finally, when in Bada Mandir, I remember I was pressing Guruji's charan, and mom was also pressing. And suddenly he turned around and he asked my mom, this is after my parents had met that boy, is this thing, but we hadn't uttered a word to Guruji. Guruji said कि बेटी नाल पूछ कि आप इसको किससे शादी करनी है. He
Hmm.
said, like, he said this to my mom, and I was sitting there, and then I blurted out to Guruji, Guruji, so and so, so and so, and all that. And then he gave me all the details of the boy, which I myself didn't know. Tons of things like caste and this and that and all of that. I had not asked, because at that age you don't get into all of this. And so I just knew he's a Hindu. I was just very careful about that. But I just said that, Guruji, okay. So he said, eh munda. Iski ye something something. He gave some detailing about him, and then again it was silence. It was neither a yes nor a no. Again we were in a dilemma. Is it a yes or is it a no? Again, time went by, another month, not knowing what, is it a yes or is it a no? And then Guruji had, like, we know he has his timings. Then he just muttered to my dad that, oh, munne ke saath iski shaadi kara do.
Hmm.
And that's how the wedding happened, and that's how the whole thing happened. And the beauty was that Guruji and the Barat walked in together at the same time. I mean, I just feel it's a very phenomenal thing to have happened. And of course, you know that he has his own reasons why it happened. But it happened, and he walked in, and he was there, he blessed. And that's how the journey, this part of life started. And then the second part, I mean, do we have time?
Yeah, I will we'll cover the second part and then probably wrap it up.
Okay. So the second part, which the one that you were talking about, we'll do that. So got married, started working in Delhi, and then one day randomly Guruji says, so Guruji, see, this is how things happen even now. Suppose your life is going in a certain direction on a certain path. Suddenly you feel that you've been taken off that path, or you've been taken off that road, which you know for sure कि नहीं ये गुरुजी ने सेट करा है, ऐसे ही चलना है.
Right,
Suddenly
right,
रोड चेंज हो जाती है, और
right.
आपको यू लाइक, अरे ये तो गुरुजी का ही दिखाया हुआ पाथ था, ये कैसे चेंज हो गया. बट वहां पे थोड़ा सा वो लगता है कि गुरुजी ये तो आप ही का पाथ,
Yeah.
या आप ही ने बोला था ऐसे चलेगा, या ये तो चेंज हो गया.
Mm,
बट उसमें इतनी ब्यूटी है विच आज समझ में आती है, कि जो धीरे धीरे दिखती है कि क्यों
mm,
चेंज करा है गुरुजी ने. क्योंकि वो हो गया, हर चीज का भी एक टाइम होता है. कभी
mm.
कभी गुरुजी पुट्स यू ऑन अ पाथ, एंड
Yeah,
शायद उस चीज का टाइम खत्म हो जाता है. तो कभी
right.
कभी लोग बोलते हैं कि गुरुजी को तो आप आपको तो गुरुजी ने ब्लेस किया, ये कैसे हो गया, या एक्स वाई जेड कैसे हो गए, क्योंकि वो उस टाइम.
I can so relate to that.
Yeah, and it's very, but now I can explain. ऐसे वो
Yeah.
उस टाइम के लिए था. अब एक नई चीज शुरू है, देखो क्या होता है, ये वाला पाथ पे देखेंगे, ये भी गुरुजी ने ही डाला है ना, इस पाथ पे भी गुरुजी ने ही डाला है.
Mm,
ये नेसेसरी नहीं है कि जो चीज गुरुजी ने दी है वो पूरी जिंदगी वो वैसे ही चलेगा.
mm,
पॉइंट ये लाइफ में धीरे धीरे पता चला, रियलाइज हुआ, एक्सेप्टेड विथ utmost gratitude and love always. So this, so when this was when I was sitting with Guruji, and I thought, ki, okay, now I'm married, and now I'll be in and out of Guruji, with Guruji in Empire State, beautiful life, nothing, like have fun and enjoy myself. What to do now? Like, I mean, in the sense that this is my life now. Suddenly, out of the blue, one day, चल अब तू जाके masters कर. This is after I got married.
mm,
And I said, I looked at Guruji. He says, हाँ तू जा, तू चल कनाडा चले जा.
mm.
So I said, जैसे आप बोलो गुरुजी. So he said, after 2 days, he said, नहीं चल तू कनाडा छड़, तू बैंगलोर जा. तो
अटलांटिक सिटी भेजा था ना तेरे को?
भेजा था, भेजा था. वो इसी टाइम
वो
पे
भी सुनना
भेजा.
वो
हाँ.
वो भी सुनना है.
तो देन गुरुजी सेड कि नहीं तू उधर जा, तू बैंगलोर जा. तो
Mm,
आई सेड ठीक है गुरुजी. एंड हमेशा मन में दिल में ठीक है ही निकलता था, कभी
mm.
भी ये नहीं निकलता था ये कैसे होगा.
ये
देख
सोच
एज
कितनी ब्लेस्ड है, कितनी ब्लेस्ड है कि तेरे मुंह से सिर्फ ठीक है निकलता था. अदरवाइज हम इफ एंड बट से ऊपर नहीं उठते.
नहीं
दैट्स अ
उठता.
ब्लेसिंग.
वही मैं कहती हूँ, ब्लेसिंग ये है. ब्लेसिंग बाकी
ब्लेसिंग ये है.
निकल सकता है,
यस.
एज अ
या.
ह्यूमन बीइंग निकल सकता है. कुछ क्या होगा, कैसे होगा.
हाँ.
नहीं, वो जो, और मेरे को हमेशा लगता था गुरुजी बस वो दिमाग दो कि क्वेश्चन आए ही ना. हाँ, उसके ऊपर मेरे दिमाग में जाना है. अब आगे क्या होगा उसका डर था, कि अरे अकेले दोबारा जाएंगे, अभी कैसे एडजस्ट करेंगे. ये नहीं था कि नहीं जाना या क्यों. एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, okay, what do I do? How will I struggle again? This was there. I was trying to find ways to, because again, you're going as a student, again, you're back to the student life, again, you're in a hostel, you just been married, and now you're going back. So I was like, where do I stay? Like practical solutions, I was trying to find out. But never a question कि गुरुजी अब क्यों भेज रहे हैं, या ऐसे क्यों है, या क्यों जाना है. ऐसा कभी नहीं, कभी नहीं, आज तक कभी नहीं. So even when mom suffered, there was never a question ever, ever like by her or anything. So even so this, when this happened and he said, "Chal tu ab ja," and I went, and it's a long, long satsang, but my dad got posted to after I see. पहले गुरुजी आपको टेस्ट करते हैं कि बिना सोचे पहले आप हाँ करो, उसके बाद गुरुजी उस डिसीजन को या उस पाथ को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, बट वो
यस.
अपने टाइम पे करेंगे.
I've been through it. I've
या
been through. I can relate to what you're saying.
सो मैंने पहले हाँ करी, मैं चले गई बिना कुछ सोचे, बिना कुछ अपना दिमाग लगाए. आई सेड ओके, लेट मी गो फॉर इट, लेट मी जस्ट डू. उसके बाद मेरे फादर की अनएक्सपेक्टेड या जो भी था, बाद में पता चला, पोस्टिंग हुई बैंगलोर, एंड दैट वाज द बेस्ट टाइम दैट आई हैड विथ माय पेरेंट्स. I mean, it was phenomenal. That time that I had with them and I got to spend with them was absolutely phenomenal. Very, very small satsangs related to that. Deccan Airlines came in. We got those 500 rupees ke coupon tickets. We were in and out of Delhi every 10 days. It was, and that also happened. Guruji only made it happen. Anyway, one of those days when I was sitting in Empire State, and Guruji just looked at me and said, "कि तू बहुत छुट्टियां मारती है." And I just was like, okay, where did, like, suddenly he just said it. I said, "जी Guruji." So he said, "तू बहुत छुट्टी मारती है, बड़ी फर्लो लेती है तू." तो मैंने मन में बोला कि गुरुजी, यू नो व्हाई आई टेक इट, आई कांट बिकॉज आई कांट लिव विदाउट सीइंग यू, सो आई कम फॉर दैट, राइट? सो anyway, I mean, this is all going on my mind. So Guruji said, इतनी फरलो मत मारा कर, अब अगली बार जब छुट्टियां खत्म हो जाती है तो वापस चले जाया कर. सो ऐसे, ठीक है गुरुजी, जैसे आपको. सो अगली बार जब मैं आई तो जैसी छुट्टियां खत्म हुई तो मैंने टिकट बुक कर ली थी. एट एवरी सेकेंड फर्स्ट ही टेस्ट्स यू एंड देन ही चेंजेस इट. सो आई booked my ticket. And when I booked my ticket to go the next day, right in time, as Guruji said, Guruji called me up in the night. And Guruji said, "की कर रही थी?" I said, "Guruji, packing." Guruji said, कल तो एम्पायर स्टेट आ जाए." वो वही टाइम पे, जिस टाइम पे मेरी फ्लाइट थी. So, it, and luckily, again, I would say that his blessings, I was overjoyed. I to just called up my husband and I said, "Cancel the ticket. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to Guruji and this and that." And,
So where was your husband? Was he in Bangalore or was he in Delhi?
no, he was in Delhi only. Everybody was in Delhi. Only I went to Bangalore. But
And your
because
parents were posted in Bangalore. I mean, your dad.
my parents got posted, yeah.
Yeah.
And but he was here. He just started his work here. Everything, he's always been Delhi based. So his was everything was here in Delhi. I told him that Guruji is saying cancel the ticket. So he canceled the ticket. I reached Guruji. Again, huge satsang, but cutting it in short. And Guruji said that day when I went, after a day or two, he said, "तू बहुत लेट आती है." मतलब खुद ही कह रहे थे. मैं तो उसी टाइम पे गई जो गुरुजी ने ये टाइम दिया था, बट गुरुजी के तरीके ऐसे होते थे. गुरुजी कहते, "तू बड़ी लेट आंदी है." सो ऐसे गुरुजी, मतलब मटर्ड की, मैं तो 4 बजे बोली, मतलब डॉट 4 बजे. गुरुजी से, "अच्छा तू सुबह जल्दी आया कर, एकदम 9 या 10 बजे पहुंच जाया कर इथे." तो ऐसे, ठीक है गुरुजी. आई यूज्ड टू कम. गुरुजी यूज्ड टू टेक माय फोन फ्रॉम मी. गुरुजी से, तो किसी किसी को बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो किसी से बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट टेल योर मॉम and tell your husband where you are, and that's it. And you spend the entire day here. And रात को अपने हस्बैंड को बुलाया कर, और ते लंगर खा के इकट्ठे फिर इथे इथे से, यहाँ से फिर घर जाना. Now, and then he told me that don't contact anyone, don't check your mails, don't be in touch with anyone from Bangalore and any of that. So I said, "Okay, Guruji." For me, again, it was very simple. It didn't matter to me because I was like, "Okay, I'm with Guruji. It doesn't matter." In between, I thought maybe he's made me leave the course in between, which is also fine, which is, I don't really care. So it was fine that he's make me leave my course. It's okay. So time went by like this, 3, 4, 5, 4 months. And one day he just looked at me and he just said, "Ki ho raha hai Bangalore vich?" And I just muttered in my brain that I am not in touch with anyone, like you said. How will I know what's happening in Bangalore? I just muttering in my brain. So I just looked at Guruji and I said, "Guruji, पता नहीं." So Guruji said, "चल तू ऐसे करिए, फर्स्ट को चले जाए." तो ऐसे, ठीक है गुरुजी. तो फर्स्ट भी आके अगले महीने का निकल गया. कोई जाने का, कोई मुझे गुरुजी ने कोई वो नहीं बोला कि जाना है.
Hmm.
In between that, he sent me to Atlantic City.
Hmm.
So that's how the entire 6 months went by. So he sent me there for about, I was there for almost 2.5 months. And Guruji said, "मैं भेजूंगा तो मैं बताऊंगा कि कब आना है." And he sent us with very limited baggage. We had no idea for how long. We had no idea. Guruji specifically said that बहुत कम कपड़े लेके जाना है. He got me and my husband to show the bag size to him, and he made sure that the bags were not very big. So we went with minimal stuff. And my thing to Guruji was that I will do as you say, but I just want that because my husband is not, I mean, he's not there where I am with, in
Right.
terms of, with Guruji. So I just don't want any discussion on this. I
Right.
don't want any discussion to go in
If
any,
and but, yeah, because
I
they
don't want to
don't
get,
feel what you feel. I get
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, so I just said, this is Guruji, your job. Now, please, I don't want to get into this because I just want this to be the way it is. But luckily, like we know that Guruji can change people's minds. He can put those thoughts in their mind. He didn't say anything to my husband. He said, okay, let's go.
Mm,
And Guruji first sent him.
mm.
He sent me later. And he had his ways, he had his planning. I was there for a very long time. And then Guruji said कि he told my mother to tell me ते अब आ जाओ. उसपे भी बड़ा मेरा एक ऑपरेशन भी हो गया था वहां पे in that time. बहुत कुछ हो गया. मतलब I
Yeah,
had one.
you came to Poonam, right?
I went to Pune. Yeah, I stayed with Pune
Mm,
in
okay.
Atlantic City. And वहां पे I developed a cyst which became so big that I got operated in John F. Kennedy Hospital in New York, New
Mm,
Jersey, and I got operated there. And so much like, but I didn't utter a word. I was just doing as per he said, and
what year
everything
was
went.
this?
This would be around 96 or so,
अच्छा.
probably,
Okay.
maybe, yeah, around that time. Yeah, because I
तो
think I started
शरणजीत
my
तब से यहाँ पर है? आई थॉट वो बाद में आई है. आई
call.
डेंट नो. शरणजीत पूनम तब से यहीं पर है. आई थॉट वो
No idea
बाद में.
after that.
या.
Okay, she's
आई नो वी
here.
आर मीटिंग दिस वीकेंड.
Oh, okay. Okay. I have no idea. So 95, 96, and in fact, I had taken her mother-in-law with me. So I
ओके.
had taken auntie with me. We traveled together, auntie and me, and she had her knee replacements done. So anyway, so Guruji used to say कि इसको थोड़ी सी physiotherapy भी करा and all that. So it was my duty to take her there and to, see to it that she settles down there. Anyway, so these are okay. Anyway, these are things. But वहां पे जब फिर गुरुजी ने मुझे कहा कि अब तू पता कर कि बैंगलोर विच की हो रहा है. Then I called up Bangalore and I found out, and I came to know that a first my friends thought that I was just being very cheeky by not, informing them of something that I got to know through some jack or some pull much earlier than they came to know, and then I explained to them that I have no idea what you're talking about and this, that, and etc., etc. And then the news was that we were 10 of us who were doing our specialization in orthopedics and sports therapy, but 10 of us were told not to write the exam together, and the university passed a law that these 10 people should be divided into two batches of 5 and 5, and for 5 people the course had extended by 6 months. It was a
And those were the
very
6 months where Guruji.
I was, yeah. And it was like a lottery draw. So it was not, there was no specific reason for somebody being in that lot and somebody being in that lot. And I was in that lot for whom the course was extended by 6 months. So I got those 6 months with Guruji. And when I got to know about it, I was like, oh my God, and overjoyed and thinking that Guruji is going to say, Dekhya fir, how he used to say all that. But when I came back to India, Guruji was a little serious by then. I don't know, he had become a little serious in the sense that I could notice that he was not his very joyful self. And Guruji just looked at me and he said that अब तू पढ़ और अपनी डिग्री लेकर आ, और जब तेरे को डिग्री मिलेगी तब तू फैमिली प्लान करना, और मैंने तेरे को मुंडा ब्लेस किया. And I was, of course, overjoyed to hear all of this. But I used to wonder that why does he say this to me every day? Because there's still a lot of time. Like I still had about 15, 20 days to join back college and then to start. And then it was almost a year and a half for this entire course to finish. So I used to wonder that why does Guruji say this to me every day? And he doesn't talk about anything. He doesn't ask me anything. He doesn't say, talk about the trip. He doesn't ask me about my operation that I ended up having there. Nothing. He just used to only say this every day. And time went, this was May now, May 2007. And so he just kept saying this and kept saying this. And I used to wonder. But then he took Samadhi after I came back. And then he took Samadhi in the next 15 to 20 days. And of course, it was absolutely shattering to the core. And it just felt like the entire world had collapsed. I could not come to terms with it for a very, very, very long time. I did not understand why something like that had happened. Of course, we understood the concept that Guruji is so much more around and all of that, but that form was missed beyond words because we had grown up seeing that form, and we just couldn't survive without it and could not understand, like, what do we do now? So when this happened, and then I refused to kind of, I was just like, I lost all interest in everything. So I told my family that I don't want to go back. I don't want to study. What's the point? What's this? It was him who had sent me. No, whatever. And then eventually I started remembering. I think it took about a month or so to understand that he had said all this for a reason, that is why he kept saying, Ja, pad, degree leke aa, family plan ka, because he had already chalked out a plan ahead for me because he knew that it would have been very difficult otherwise for me. And so I gathered myself up, went back, and then studied, and then planned as he had said. And when I got my degree and certificate, I planned my family. And when I conceived, I knew it was going to be a boy. So my elder one was directly told by Guruji. I mean, it's all direct indication, but he was, of course, told by Guruji. And then when I conceived the second time, he told me that it's going to be a girl in my 7th month. And so both of them are Guruji's blessings. And that's how life, I think he just made sure that life doesn't stop. It just keeps
Mm.
moving. And I'll get back. I'll get back into the whole, the groove or the whole track of understanding things, maybe at a different level over a period of time, which eventually did happen. But he was so meticulous in
Mm.
the planning of each and everything. And if he hadn't given me those 6 months before, probably it would have been very, very difficult because I would have felt that void. Because I would have felt that how did this happen? Like, why did it happen? But he filled me up so much with,
Mm.
with everything that I wanted, or with everything that I needed, or with everything that I desired for, that it was like there was no reason, and I should not complain about anything because he did give me what I wanted. And that became a factor to keep moving ahead.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, like to say, all satsangs are beautiful, but Nikki, your satsangs are like beyond mesmerizing and beautiful. And I am so full just rehearing some of them. And I'm immensely grateful to Guruji for enabling this conversation today amidst all the chaos that's happening around us. So this has been truly fulfilling. I appreciate your time, and hopefully we can come up with a part two to continue these conversations. But Shukrana to Guruji, Shukrana to you. And as we all know that there are no coincidences in Guruji's Darbar. His ways are beyond mystical, magical, whatever word we want to use. And we always end with a Shukrana, though it's a very small word. That's all that we can offer to him. So immense gratitude, Jai Guruji.
Thank you. Jai Guruji. It was lovely being here. Look forward.
Yes.
Bye.